While concluding my last video, series 25, I explained that the banks reclassify various items of balance sheet and profit and loss account statement of a business enterprise for a meaningful analysis. Today, with the help of this video, let us understand how the various items of a balance sheet are reclassified by banks. We have learned that balance sheet has two parts, one equity and liabilities and the other assets. Today, let us learn reclassification of the equity and liabilities. In a normal balance sheet, the equity comes first, followed by non-current liability, again followed by current liability. The order in which the banks reclassify these items is first one is the current liability, followed by non-current liability, followed by equity. The reason for changing this order is banks are interested in knowing the liabilities of a business based on the maturity period. Bank is interested in knowing the payables which fall for payment within 12 months, the liabilities which becomes due for payment after 12 months, and the balance. Normally, any current liability is to be paid within 12 months and it appears first. Any non-current liability is to be paid after a period of 12 months. They come as second. And the third one is equity, the owner's fund, which may have to be paid by the business when the business ceases its operations. So that is how the maturity period based classification is done by banks. Now today let us understand the various items coming under current liability. The first item under current liability will be short-term borrowing from banks. We know short-term borrowing means working capital finance. We have learned number of working capital products like overdraft, cash credit hypothecation of stocks, cash credit hypothecation of book debts, cash credit hypothecation of stocks cum book debts, bill purchase and bill discounting. The balances of all these credit facilities except the balance in the bill purchase and bill discount will appear on the balance sheet. So these figures can easily be taken and put it under short-term borrowing from banks. In the case of a bill purchase and bill discount account, the balances as on 31st of March will appear as a contingent liability. It may be either available in the footnote of the balance sheet or as a notes on account. The reason for these two balances of bill purchase or bill discount getting classified as contingent liability is they may become payable only if the buyer fails to make payment for the goods. Contingent liability means a liability may get crystallized if an uncertain event occurs. That is the reason why the seller may have to repay the advance taken from the seller's bank only if the buyer fails to make payment. In the normal course, the buyer makes payment to the buyer's bank sends the payment to the seller's bank recovers the dues and balance is paid to the seller. That is why the bill purchase and bill discounting account balances, if any, will appear as a contingent liability. So while analyzing the balance sheet, the bank has to take the balances from the contingent liability and add it to the short-term liability from banks. When you are adding these figures on the liability side, the same figure should appear on the asset side as a trade receivable. The second part is all other current liabilities such as trade credit, advances received, current maturity of a term loan, outstanding expenses, sundry credits, and any short-term borrowing from anybody else like friends and relatives or directors are grouped together as other current liabilities. So now we have two parts under current liability. First one is the short-term borrowing from banks. And the second one is all the current liabilities excluding the short-term borrowings from bank grouped as other current liabilities. Now these two will be added together to make total current liabilities of a business enterprise. The next video we will go into the non-current liabilities and equity in a balance sheet, how they are reclassified. If you have understood the reclassification of the current liability items, press the like button and subscribe to this channel.